Hello friends. Today I will tell you about 7 home remedies to quick relief from cough and cold. Best home remedies for cough and cold at home. The common cold is almost always accompanied by a cough and can be quite an irritating condition to deal with. While medication can help reduce the symptoms you experience, a cold has no cure and it takes about 7 days to resolve. So, instead of loading your body with all those chemicals, why not try something natural to beat the discomfort you feel? Here are 7 natural home remedies that will help you treat common cold and cough. If you are watching this video on mobile, don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notification for our every new video. If you like this video, please share with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Number 1. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. Effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. How to make the syrup? In half spoon of honey, add a few drops of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. Number 2. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all Indian kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. Number 4. Honey, lime juice and warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and for the circulation system. Adding honey to lukewarm water is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. Number 5. Honey and brandy. Brandy is known to keep your chest warm as it increases body's temperature, and mixing honey in brandy helps in fighting a cough. Just a teaspoon of brandy mixed with few drops of honey improves cough and common cold. Number 6. Amla. Being a strong immunomodulator, Amla fights against many diseases. Eating one Amla regularly provides many health benefits as it ensures the proper functioning of the liver and improves blood circulation. Number 7. Flax Seeds. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think this video is helpful for others, please share it on WhatsApp and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more health, beauty and home remedies tips. Bye bye. Take care.